welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Today we have something really exciting to unbox. It's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Okay, so the box is pretty much hand size. It is quite small. It includes the Creator Combo. So this comes with the wide angle lens and the DJI Mic 2 transmitter and also the battery handle. So it has quite a few extras in there. We'll now start opening the packaging and removing the plastic bits so we can get inside the box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to Skylab 4K for more unboxings, reviews, tech tips and cinematic videos. Okay, so you can just lift open the box, and at the top of the box we have the gel which we'll remove. So the first thing we can see inside the box is some packaging. The packaging part on the left is the case, and on the right hand side there seems to be another cardboard box, and there are some manual guides there as well. We'll just take everything out to see what we have first. Looks like there are some stickers there as well, DJI stickers. This looks like the DJI holder, so we'll open this up and have a look. Okay, so the DJI holder is hand size and seems quite soft. It is made out of good material, and it looks like that is quite sufficient just for the Pocket 3 itself. On the top there we can see that it would fit the wide angle lens, and at the bottom there's a sign there for the Black Pro Mist filter. Okay, so having a look at the guides, we've got an Osmo Pocket 3 quick start guide, a light cut app QR code and a creator combo guide. It is recommended to read through these guides in order to learn what and how the Pocket 3 operates. And we have a DJI stickers as well. Let's open the DJI stickers. I assume that it's very similar to the ones that we got with the DJI Mini 4 Pro in the previous video. Yeah, so the stickers are the same as the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. So these stickers you can use to put onto your Pocket 3 if this is the sort of thing you like. There's a graffiti one which is one of my favorite ones. Let's put these back and explore some more. Okay, so we'll start off by opening the DJI Pocket 3 case. This is also known as the carrying bag. The carrying bag ensures convenient storage for the device and its accessories.
It's only 80 grams, so very lightweight. It's a good design and it looks pretty sleek. It's a compact design, so if you need to take it on the go, things don't move around. Let's have a look at the front. So you got the DJI logo on the top right, a little card there as well with some barcodes, makes it or gives it like a personal touch, a personal feel. We'll open the zip and see how it looks from inside. Okay, so we have got quite a few things in the carrying case, and the first thing we'll have a look at is the Pocket 3. It's very small for the first impressions. It looks very small, and it feels really good. It's quite light, and we can see there the gimbal at the top as well. At the bottom you've got the charger, the USB type C charger. Okay, so next it looks like the Pocket 3 battery handle. Let's open this and see how it looks. Okay, so it's got a type C at the top as well, which looks like it clips into the Pocket 3. And there are some removable plastic stickers with some instructions. At the bottom there's a screw for a tripod. It's a really cool design, and we'll check it out soon. So next it looks like we have the holder. Let's open this up and see what this looks like. It looks quite small. It's an extra bit that you stick at the end. It has a type C at the top as well, and one in the middle so that you can charge it with the holder as well. And again, it has some instructions. It is quite small. Okay, so let's try and fit the holder onto the Pocket 3, and it seems to just clip in to the Pocket 3. This is quite good because I'm able to hold the Pocket 3 much easier, and the clips have gone in. It's important to push the button to deactivate it from the Pocket 3, otherwise you could end up breaking the sides. Okay, so let's see what else is in the carrying bag. A few other bits. One looks like the tripod and magnetic bits. So next we have the Osmo Mini tripod. It's a non-slip design. It's quite cool, and it's very convenient to have this. We'll just have a look at the battery holder again and clip that in. You can see as soon as we clip it in, the green light comes on. We'll put the tripod on underneath and just screw that in. It screws in quite comfortably. It seems quite tight, and that's the full length of it. It seems quite compact, easy for travel, and it seems to stand quite firmly as well. Okay, so let's have a look at the sticker at the front, and we'll just remove the sticker. We'll turn it on in a short while. We'll close the tripod legs, and let's just unscrew this. Unscrewing is just as easy as it is to put it on, and just deactivate the battery holder by holding the middle button again. As soon as we rotate the screen, it asks us which language we would want. It now asks us if we want to activate the device, but we can activate the device later on as well by skipping and swiping right. So if we just rotate the screen, again it turns off the Pocket 3. So very easy to use. The screen is quite nice and small as well. Let's see what else we've got. So we've got the DJI Mic 2 transmitter. The color is shadow black. There's a record button on the side, Type-C cable, and it looks like there's a little push button there to put onto your t-shirt or jumper. It looks see-through as well, so that's quite nice from that design, that it's quite different. So next we have the wide angle lens. This is to get a wider angle. It is magnetic as well, and it seems to just clip on. We'll try that out in a short time. Okay, so we have the noise cancelling windscreen also inside the bag. Let's see what else we have. So there are quite a few compartments, which is good to see. The Type-C USB cable is there as well, and it looks like we have everything out of the bag. The Mic 2 transmitter is quite important. It has a 6-hour battery life, 14 hours internal recording, Bluetooth connection, so everything you need. So next we'll open the windscreen. Let's see what's inside here. So we have the windscreen, and we also have the wrist strap as well. The windscreen has intelligent noise cancelling, and that gives it the optimized sound, the crystal clear vocals, and it just clips in just as easy as that. So the wrist strap is quite important because you don't want to drop your Pocket 3. The Type-C to Type-C cable is sufficient for fast charging depending on the plug or socket that you use. Next we'll have a look at the magnet, which is used with the Mic 2 transmitter. Let's open the magnet. It is quite tough to open the plastic because it's so small. We'll just clip it onto the Mic 2 and see how strong the magnet is. It does have DJI written on both sides. The magnet is quite durable and tough, so when I tried to put the magnet on the mic, it was really difficult to take it off. So that's a good sign that it won't come off so easily. Again, we'll have a look at the wide angle lens. The wide angle lens just clip on, so it is magnetic. So we're just going to try and get a good angle and a good shot and just clip it on. There, it just clips on, and it just clips out as well. So very easy to put that on. The wide angle lens you would generally use for panoramic shots. Also the protective cover has room as well for the wide angle lens in case you want to keep it on. So next we'll look at the protective cover and see how easy it is to fit the Pocket 3 inside. You kind of just align it together and push and it fits in. I would try and push from the handle, not from the gimbal, to make sure that you don't damage the gimbal. So there you have it, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with the microphone accessories. I can't wait to test this out and show you guys some sample footage. If you have any questions or if there's anything specific you want me to test, just drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to Skylab 4K for more unboxings, reviews, tech tips and cinematic videos.